Starting around the 20th of April 2023, Bitgert in a real sense is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.23% in most recent 1 hour amazingly. Brise basically has a genuinely all-out market cap of $174,159,510 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,923,364 in an unobtrusive manner. This makes Bitgert essentially positioning at 175 in the digital currency market in a quite large manner. On the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023. What will Bitgert in a real sense be worth in 2023, which generally is genuinely critical? Is Bitgert a very wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023? Most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Will Brise cost really outperform its unequaled genuinely high in a quite large manner? These in every way that really matters are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future in an especially significant manner. Bitgert value expectation 2023, which really is very huge. As per the Bitgert conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Brise cost especially is supposed to especially cross an extremely normal value level of $0. The normal pretty least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to in every way that really matters be $0, which generally is genuinely critical. Besides, Brise can by and large arrive at an in every way that really matters most extreme value level of $0 in unobtrusive manner. Brise value conjecture April 2023. In April 2023 the cost of Bitgert explicitly is estimated to especially be at around a genuinely least worth of $0 a really significant manner. The Bitgert value worth can sort of arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0, the typical exchanging worth of $0 USD in a significant way. Bitgert value estimate May 2023. For May 2023 the cost of Bitgert basically is generally anticipated to especially arrive at a very normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a really limit of $0, a truly least of $0, a kind of enormous manner. Bitgert value expectation June 2023. The cost of Bitgert generally is especially anticipated to generally reach at an exceptionally least worth of $0 June 2023, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Brise cost could fundamentally arrive at an essentially greatest worth of $0, the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0 through 2023, showing how in the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Bitgert cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Bitgert basically be worth in 2023 in a genuinely significant manner? Brise value figure July 2023. Concerning July 2023, Bitgert basically is supposed to generally arrive at a kind of least value worth of $0. The Brise cost could generally arrive at a by and large most extreme cost of $0, the sort of typical cost around $0 in unobtrusive manner. Bitgert value gauge August 2023. In August 2023 the cost of Bitgert for the most part is supposed to explicitly be at around an exceptionally least of $0, showing that explicitly is Bitgert an essentially wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitgert cost can essentially arrive at a very limit of $0, the especially normal cost of $0 USD in a genuinely enormous way. Bitgert value conjecture September 2023. The Bitgert cost for September 2023 may explicitly arrive at a very least worth of $0. The greatest determined cost essentially is around $0, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. The especially normal cost for Brise sort of is anticipated to especially reach $0 September 2023, or so they in every way that really matters. Thought. Brise value figure October 2023. The Bitgert estimate for October 2023 expects that the Brise may for the most part arrive at a really greatest worth of $0, a very least cost of around $0, a genuinely significant manner. Discussing the especially normal value Brise can really stretch around $0 October in an unpretentious manner. Bitgert value expectation November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Bitgert cost fundamentally is figured to arrive at a sort of the least cost of $0 in every practical sense, large way. The Brise cost could in every way that really matters arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $0, the exceptionally normal expected cost around $0 in unpretentious manner. Bitgert value expectation December 2023. The cost of Bitgert generally is generally anticipated to explicitly reach at an extremely least worth of $0 December 2023, which most certainly is very huge. The BRISE cost could explicitly arrive at an exceptionally greatest worth of $0, the essentially normal exchanging worth of $0 through 2023, which shows that Brise value gauge July 2023. Concerning July 2023, Bitgert most certainly is supposed to in a real sense arrive at the very least value worth of $0, a kind of huge manner. Bitgert especially passed value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been by and large diminished by 0.96% in its kind of current worth, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. On the off chance that we by and large look at the exceptionally current market cap of the BRISE with yesterday, you can basically see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down, exhibiting how Brise value conjecture April 2023. In April 2023, the cost of Bitgert really is estimated to especially be at around a by and large least worth of $0, or so they truly thought. Bitgert especially is confronting in all things considered tough time jumping aboard with certainly other crypto coins in an unobtrusive manner. The BRISE generally is down to nearly 3.01% in the very most recent 7 days in an extremely enormous manner. The coin sort of is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for especially past certainly couple of days. The coin could generally have areas of strength for truly yet. We don't in every practical sense believe that it would a beneficial resource in genuinely present moment, which sort of is genuinely huge. What will generally be Bitgert worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The BRISE cost especially is determined to generally arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of $0, truly least cost of $0, the finish of 2023, which really shows that the BRISE truly is down to nearly 3.01% in the especially most recent 7 days. Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Does Bitgert essentially have a future? Kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. As far as value, Bitgert certainly has an extraordinary exceptionally potential to generally arrive at new levels, exhibiting how might BRISE costs certainly outperform its untouched high, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. It for the most part is gauged that BRISE will increment in esteem, which truly is genuinely critical, as per by and large unambiguous specialists and business examiners. Bitgert can especially raise a ruckus around town the most exorbitant cost of $0 2030, showing that it explicitly is conjecture that BRISE will increment in esteem. Is Bitgert especially worth purchasing in 2023 in a sort of significant manner? Bitgert's worth truly is supposed to basically keep on growing, as deficiency will in general in a real sense energize cost rise, showing how Bitgert's worth basically is supposed to really keep on extending, as lack will in general especially support cost ascend in an exceptionally significant manner. If it's not too much trouble, note, there in every way that really matters, is a gamble to any interest in an unpretentious manner. Super put resources into what you can sort of achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and lead the fundamentally greatest exploration conceivable, which sort of is very huge.